Hey there, IDK Fred here, and today I'm going to be unboxing my JR paintball gun something or other Outlast, I don't know. But here we go. Most safe thing, running the knife right towards me. Let's see. Good enough, we got most of the top off. It should come off fairly easy now. Okay, we have the adapter for the paintball barrel. Have our tiny little CO2 tank. These are like $10 a piece. Adapter for the CO2 tank here. See if we can open this a little bit more. Yeah. Have a nice brand new mask here. Let's see if we can take off the outside cover. Aha, that came off clearly. Nice, brand new. I like the look of a new mask. Then we have our brand new hopper, and it has like 50 paintballs. And we also get a small cleaning piece and a piece to cork up the end to, well, the gun is sitting. Okay, so let's pull the gun out of here now. Feels really plasticky here. Barrel completely plastic, handle, everything completely plastic. There is absolutely no metal except this piece right here and the screws on this, basically. Yeah, the barrel's extremely light. It's just a really light, cheap gun from the looks of it. But let's test it out. Let's throw the CO2 on here and try this gun out. Okay. CO2 is in and ready to go. Let's get some paintballs in here. And let's try our nice, wonderful looking, looks like one might have broken here somewhere. Let's try these practice ones out. Dropped one. Can't drop a second one. That doesn't stick down very well. Okay, so let's take this and we're going to try shooting at those water bottles right over there somewhere. I don't know. You can probably see them. Let's assume you can. Okay, safety off, cocked back. Let's try it out. Yay, already breaking paintballs. Yeah, lovely shattered inside of there. Hit one. didn't. Hit another one. Knocked one over. Hit it. Hit it. Oh my heck. It is literally just shattering them here inside of the barrel like crazy. It is coming out the edges and everything. This is a wonderful sign for the gun so far. Hopefully our competition grade paintballs are better. Let's see how fast this thing can fire. Fairly good, even if it shatters 1 in 5. Okay, we're going to try out firing with a couple of these RPS JT competition grade paintballs here, see if they break just as easy, or if they'll fire a little bit better in this gun. Immediately can feel the difference. None of those broke. They all fired fairly good and straight. Until then. We might actually have to clean the barrel out already. Yeah. Yeah, we gotta clean the barrel out. After just a few shots here, the barrel's looking quite lovely. We're gonna run this through just once, see how this looks. Well. Probably should have ran it the opposite way, but whatever. Oh, yay. Tons of lovely goop in there already. But it looks fairly clean now. Okay, I am going to let my friend Cody here shoot me with the paintball gun now. A little bit of safety, here we go. I'm going to turn around and let him hit me in the back. Ready.
Many.
However many you can hit. Ah! Keep going. Okay. You done? And I cheated just a little. I do have a plate underneath the entire vest here, if you can see that, and now my back feels really fucking coated in this stuff. I mean, like, literally, look at that. That is ridiculous. Wow. I have nothing to... yeah, wow. I'm just gonna have to drive back shirtless. I cannot get this on my car.
The front of your shirt you fix.
Yeah. Then whatever. So, that is the JT paintball gun. Wonderful gun, I guess. After getting shot with it. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more random stuff like this. I will upload every Friday, sooner if possible. And as always, I don't know. Oh no! Yeah. Okay. Okay, here's my shirt after letting my friend paintball me. It got completely coated, and then there are holes in the shirt right here. I can stick my finger through that almost right there. That is ridiculous. There are holes almost everywhere the paintball hit. And I would scrape off the paint and everything, but I don't want it getting on my floor, because there's probably even more holes underneath right there. I don't know, let's see what the other side looks like. Yeah, the other side you can see the holes pretty good through it too. there's at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 holes. 11, 12 holes, give or take, in the underside of that. Yeah, lovely shirt now. Destroyed completely.